How to find game space on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find game space on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find this one here, apps or applications, and then just click on it, and here we'll find the app assistant. Just click on it, and as you see here we'll find the game space, and you can just select add and open, and then click add, and here we'll find it. And that's how to find the game space on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.